In this video, we're going to fix that string of 20 LEDs that I just could not get to light in the last 3 videos. We got the Raspberry Pi connections working, but we just couldn't get that LED strip to light at all. And that got me thinking that I had wired it incorrectly, even though I was so sure that I had done it right. The first thing for me to troubleshoot was to do a quick Google search to see if I could figure out how others had wired their addressable LED strips. But the most frustrating part of that research for me was finding different LED strips that all had different ways of wiring them up. Most of them indicated that you had the hot wire, or plus 5 volts, on the top, data in the middle, and ground on the bottom. And that's the way I indicated that it should be wired up in the last video. However, I also saw versions of the wiring where the ground and the hot lead were both swapped, or the data cable was swapped with either one of the other 2 wires. So it just became frustrating. But then I got thinking, hey, why the heck do I have a YouTube channel if not to document the work that I'm doing? So I went back and I reviewed some of the footage in my previous videos, and I had already made a video about how I had wired this up previously. And in that footage, you can actually see that the ground cable is actually at the top, the data is in the middle, and the plus 5 volts is at the bottom. I also looked at the connector at the end of this strip of LEDs, and if I peeled back that connector, you could actually see that the plus 5 volts was at the bottom, data was in the middle, and the ground was at the top. So I had actually wired it backwards again, even though I had tried to fix it in the last video. Once I got that sorted out and I got things soldered on correctly, the light just lit up. So I was really happy with that. So I hope my struggles with this will help some of you out there who are trying to solder up your own addressable LED strip. Just remember that doing generic internet research won't always get you the right answer, and you should refer to the specific manufacturer of your LED strips in order to know how to wire them up properly. But I think that's enough for this video. This is day 25 of a 30-day challenge I've given myself to post a video to YouTube every day in the month of September. And as always, if you have feedback for me about how to wire up addressable LED strips better or make better videos, please leave a comment down below. For now, that's my 2 cents. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay awesome.